Aya, pas de jeu. Vous connaissez la vie avec un salle de jeu, pas jamais trop pressé. Parce que, vous comprenez, faut pas trop pressé.
Malgré les situations, la destination, malgré la déception, ça me fait. Donc, je vous quitter et moi croire. Sous la vie à longue.
Gracia Delva was born in Haiti. In the 70s, music was always a part of his life, and he started to sing at a young age. By the time he was a teenager, he was performing with local bands and gaining popularity in his hometown. In the late 90s, Gracia Delva joined the group Jakut Music, led by several talented musicians, who would later become a superpower in the Haitian music industry. Their music was innovative and groundbreaking, blending traditional Haitian rhythms with modern sounds. Gracia Delva's talent as a singer and his charismatic stage presence quickly made him a fan favorite. Later, Gracia Delva emigrated to the United States, where he joined hand with several powerful musicians such as Richie, Brutus, Nickens and Prudhomme to relaunch Zengelin. With these explosive talented musicians, Zengelin had emerged as the most listened Haitian band, a journey that was going cut short after Gracia Delva got deported by the United States. Gracia did not stop there. Once landed in his native country, he gathered another group talented musician along some others with no experience. He launched his band name, Kompa, which would later change into Mass Kompa. Gracia Delva is becoming one of the most popular and successful Haitian musicians of his generation. His powerful voice, unique style, and ability to connect with his audience made him a unique superstar. Along with his music, Gracia Delva is also involved in philanthropic work initiatives in Haiti. His rise to fame is a testament to his talent, determination, and the power of music to bring people together. Keep pushing, legend. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, follow, and subscribe to our channel.